Okay, so let's create a new project. Call it notification. Control D to get to the desktop. That's where I'm going to be putting mine. Next, I'm going to use the minimum SDK of 21. But that's up to you for what you want to use. Okay, so before we do anything, we'll just open this out, rebuild the project just in case, and we want to just make sure that the Google repository is installed in there. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is head over to firebase.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Then come back to your, once you've signed up and logged in, come back to your Android Studio, and we're going to go into Tools and Firebase to open up the assistant. And now we want to click on the cloud messaging, more info, come back into the browser here, switch back and set up Firebase cloud messaging. So the first one we're going to do is connect to Firebase. And you'll get success popping up once you're signed in or you've chosen your account. So we're going to create a new Firebase project called notification, and we're going to connect to Firebase. Once everything's downloaded, you should get this OK connected message. Okay, so the next step is to add the Firebase cloud messaging, and we'll just accept the changes. Okay, so the dependencies are set up correctly. And step 3. Right click, select a new Java class, and we'll call this one ID service. We want to make sure it's got the same Firebase instance ID service. Here, leave the rest how it is and click OK. Comment, and we can basically just select this, copy, paste, click beside that in the green text here and press Alt Enter, click next to it and press Alt Enter. This one, Alt Enter, and that will just import classes that we require. So I've got a tag there as well. Okay, and this one here, create the method. Okay, so we need to add the service that we've created into the manifest. Go into there now, drop it underneath the activity. Click this, Control C, paste, name of the class that we set up. Okay, so now we're going to handle a message. It says to use a service, but I'm just going to add it in as a class. Call this messaging service, and the superclass stays up there, Firebase and service. Okay. Copy the on message receive over. Slide it, Alt Enter, imports. got the tag in here again. And the next thing we'll do is we'll copy this information over manifest, paste it below the other one, and we need to rename this called messaging service. And now, just to make sure everything's correct at this stage, just clean the project. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do, create a new device. Got the Nexus 5X here, add an image, and we've got to make sure that it's one that's got the Google API. I'm just going to be using the x86. So once that's installed, next. Okay, so we'll click OK on that. Okay, so we've got that running there. So at this stage, the notification won't come up while the app is open. So we'll just close it out, go back to our browser, and in the Firebase, go to the console, click on the project, and we'll click down here at notifications, on notifications. Okay, so enter a message. Then now, select the application and click message. Send. Back over to our app, and there's the test message. So if you click it, it will open up the application. So at this stage, it won't allow, if we create new messages, they won't deliver while the app is already open, and we'll fix that